Hey guys, I got this email from Tesla saying you're invited for DIY service workshop. So we're gonna open them up and see what the deal is. So I open up the email and it says learn how to maintain your Tesla. So join us in select Tesla location in Southern California for DIY service workshop. You learn how to complete basic Tesla vehicle maintenance tasks, from changing wiper blades to restarting the touch screen and more. So this workshop is approximately 1 hour. So what we gotta do, we gotta RSVP. Okay, super easy to do. So you just gotta put in your. So this is what's going on, and then they have different location and dates, and the time I think is from 6 to 8 p.m. So I'm looking for the one closer to where I live. So I'm here in Temecula, California. I want to go to Carlsbad, but they got Long Beach. I'll probably pick Riverside. So I'm probably free on May 29 up in Riverside. So this is what's gonna be look like. This is the overview. See, unlike gas powered car, Tesla vehicles have no required maintenance, no oil change, spark plugs replacement, or emission check. So pretty much February 29, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. about 2 hours. That's the location. Then you gotta sign up. I'm gonna put in my first and last name. I'm gonna put my phone number. So you get this confirmation email that you RSVP. Just pull up to the location. So thank you for your RSVP. Tesla Riverside, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. Learn something from your Tesla. Let's go.